North Korea, also known as the Hermit Kingdom because of its lack of relations with the global community as such, has some more very interesting rules, regulations and laws and facts. I'm going to be talking to you about some more of them in this video. Kim Jong-il, the son of the founder, reportedly had a collection of 20,000 videos, assuming each to be of 90 minutes length. It would have taken him 137 years to watch his entire collection. He reportedly had legendary powers. The first time he went golfing, he scored 11 holes in one. The first time he went bowling, he scored a perfect 300. Kim Jong-un is also a movie buff. It is reported that he liked Godzilla so much that he had a local version of it made in North Korea. In 1978, North Korean agents kidnapped a South Korean director and his actress wife. They, over the next 8 years, made a series of movies for the North Koreans. They managed to escape back to South Korea sometime 8 years later. North Koreans have elections every 5 years. 99.99% of all votes cast are for the ruling party. North Korea has some other fun facts and rules which I am now going to elaborate on. The only way to visit North Korea is through a conducted tour, a group tour, which actually means that this is a tour operated by some North Korean government agency. The usual mode of travel to North Korea is through Beijing or through the land border across from China. You either fly in or you go across by a rail. You have to go in a conducted tour, and each tour has tour guides who are essentially minders. You're not allowed to talk to any local citizen, North Korean citizens, without the express permission of your guides. Doing so can result in them getting punished and you being accused of espionage. You're also not permitted to take photographs of locals where you do not have specific permission. You have to follow all customs when going to the monuments and statues. You're expected to behave just like a North Korean. You have to bow down, pay your respects to the statues, and you have to do it. You, on entry, are likely to have your passport, mobile phones and laptops taken for safe custody, as you're not allowed to use these within the country, and at your time of exit these will be handed back to you. Currently 3 airlines as such operate to North Korea. There is a regular service of Koryo Airways, which is the North Korean airline. Air China operates from Beijing. Once in a while a Mongolian airline by the name of Met also operates. North Korea has the largest stadium in the world with a seating capacity of 150,000. This stadium, known as Mayday Stadium, is used to host the annual Arirang Games, which is a cultural extravaganza showcasing their cultural and other achievements. It has a huge display and is a mass participative program with a couple of thousand participants taking part in it. They also have annual parades in which they showcase their military might. The highlight always is the huge arsenal of missiles which this country possesses. They have the ability, as they claim, to strike any point in United States, which pretty much means they can at will strike any part of the world with their ICBMs. I'm going to come back with another short video, since there's a couple of more facts which I would like to share in my next video. Thank you.